Pell City is the go-to destination for top-notch window installation services. Our expert window contractors in Pell City specialize in providing high-quality window solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows or custom windows, our team is here to help with all your replacement windows Pell City needs. Energy-efficient windows. Pell City are a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Our selection of energy-efficient windows includes vinyl windows and double-hung windows designed to keep your home comfortable year-round. With our replacement windows Pell City services, you can enjoy the benefits of lower energy bills and increased home value. Vinyl windows Pell City offers are known for their durability and low maintenance. These windows are perfect for homeowners seeking a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. Our window experts in Pell City can guide you through the various vinyl window options available, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your home. Double-hung windows Pell City residents love are both stylish and functional. These windows provide excellent ventilation and are easy to clean, making them a popular choice for many homeowners. Our window contractors in Pell City can help you select the best double-hung windows for your home, ensuring a seamless installation process. For those seeking a unique touch, custom windows Pell City offers are the ideal choice. Our window designs in Pell City can be tailored to match your home's aesthetic, providing a personalized look that stands out. With our window consultation services, you can explore a variety of window styles and options to create the perfect custom windows for your home. Bay windows. Pell City homeowners add elegance and space to any room. These windows create a beautiful focal point and allow for ample natural light. Our window experts in Pell City can assist you in selecting the right bay windows to enhance your home's interior and exterior appeal. Casement windows Pell City provides are perfect for those who value functionality and style. These windows open outward, offering excellent ventilation and unobstructed views. Our Pell City window contractors can help you choose the best casement windows for your home, ensuring a flawless installation. Sliding windows Pell City residents prefer are ideal for spaces with limited room for window operation. These windows glide smoothly along a track, providing easy access and a modern look. Our window services in Pell City include a wide range of sliding window options to suit your needs. Replacement windows. Pell City services are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your home windows. Our window maintenance experts in Pell City can address any issues with window glass, window frames, and more, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Residential windows Pell City offers come in a variety of styles and designs to suit any home. From traditional to contemporary, our window options in Pell City cater to all tastes and preferences. Our window solutions in Pell City are designed to enhance your home's curb appeal and functionality.